I got me a chicken over there, and that chicken can't decide what she wants to do. Her coop is on the other side of the fence because we put it over there, and then the other night she decided she didn't want to come in, and I found her over here in this other bush later after dark, and then I went ahead and took her into the coop. But before that, she was freaking out. She was worried, and she's getting worried now because she can't figure out how to get back to her coop. Now, today, they all came under the fence over, back over there on this side of that wire roll cylinder. And they were all out here. But we lured the rest of them with treats, but she wouldn't come. And so once again, she's last man out, and she's trying to figure out how she's going to get in to see, with her sisters, basically. Because them four are the ones that came in. And so, I don't know, I guess we'll find out. Can she figure it out? Or is indecision going to rob her yet again? It was really close to being totally dark outside. I watched her the other night for, probably half an hour. And she jumped up there, but she didn't, I didn't have that second cylinder up there, that first night, and I've had one of their dishes, which is a dog dish, and then I put another dog dish on top of it. Well, she jumped up there and actually spilled the dog dishes all onto the ground, and then she had to get back down. So maybe she's kind of worried that if she goes any higher, it'll fall on her again. I don't know. Okay, come on, girl. Come on, girl. I'd like to get in and stop getting eaten up by the skeeters. Yeah, you can hear her getting louder now. The indecision is just killing her. If she just figure out, I can either go under or I can go over, and just make it, I'm gonna get over into that coop somehow, regardless. The other night, she was not only just going back and forth over there, she was coming up behind me and going all the way up the steps. But then she wouldn't go in the house, even though I had the doors open. Finally, when it was really dark out, almost ready to be pitch black, I heard everything get quiet. And she dove underneath that bush I was just showing you. And she went back down because she just can't figure out what she's doing. Getting real worried now because she knows it's time. She knows where she should be, and she's not there. I don't know if she's gonna try yet again. Come on, girl. You're doing good. All you need to do is get up there and get on over. Besides that, I'm starting to get eaten up by the mosquitoes. I want to stay out here and see this, but I sure don't want to get bit up. It is peaceful out here, though. Figure it out, girl. If you just go up over the next cylinder, yeah, you're gonna flop around, flop around, and flop around. Got that other problem too. The light's getting dimmer here. That indecision. You know, that indecision kills all of us. If we can't make up our mind what we're gonna do, life just passes us by. Well, yeah, it's about a minute later. We're still out here. Been going on for, I don't know, way over 20 minutes now. All of this stuff here is garlic. It's just a sea of garlic. Chickens won't go after that. They cleaned up everything else out here pretty close. They don't go after that though. So I'm gonna have to get out here with a shovel and dig it all up. Maybe I'll plant my whole backyard in garlic. Just gotta separate all these things. All of this is stuff that didn't get harvested last year and the year before. And probably the year before that too, who knows. I've been running around like a chicken with my head cut off myself. We had all that time when we weren't even home, when we were trying to adopt or get Corey in our house. Good news, We were assigned an adoption caseworker. So not only is he in our home, but we are now in the process of getting towards the end goal. Once again, it got dark out, and now we're gonna have to go put her in the coop. Thanks for watching, guys.